Hello everyone and welcome to CATIA for Beginners tutorial part 3. Today we will discuss about toolbar customization. I will show you how to customize existing toolbars and how to create new toolbars. We can add command to existing toolbars and we can remove command from toolbars. Let's take this toolbar as an example. This is the standard toolbar and you can notice that it is not complete. Some commands are missing. Let's customize this toolbar adding missing commands. We use customized dialog box. To do this, there are two methods to open customized dialog box. Right click in the blank area and select customize. You can open customize window or click on tool and select customize. You can open customize window. In this window, click on toolbar tab. Then you can see all the existing toolbars on your left hand side. Standard toolbar, workbench toolbar, graphic properties toolbar, knowledge toolbar, view toolbar. And when you click on each toolbar, you can see the operations that we can perform on each toolbars. When we click on standard toolbar, you can see you can rename it, you can add command, you can remove command. When you click on workbench, you can rename it, you can add commands, you can remove commands. When you click on graphic properties, you can rename, add, remove. When you click on view command, view toolbar, you notice that you cannot add or remove commands, but you can rename it. So remember, you actually cannot customize this view toolbar. Let's customize standard toolbar. There are two methods to adding missing command. Two methods to add missing command. Use this add command button and it will open up the whole command list. First I will search for new command. Click on any command and type N and scroll down for new command. Select new, click OK. You can see the new command button is added to standard toolbar. There is another method to add the toolbars, add commands to the toolbars, which is use command tab. When you click on command tab, you can see there are two windows. One is category window, other one is command window. When you click on each category, you can see the set of commands belongs to that category. For example, edit category has got clear history command, copy command, cut command, delete command, etc. When you click on file, there are certain commands for that category. Scroll down on category window and select all command. Then you can see whole list of command available in CATIA. And also when you click on each command, you can see small little preview of that command on your bottom left hand corner. And also there is small description about the role of that command, just about the icon. For example, if you go to close, if you go to new, you can see the new icon and also a description about this icon. Create a new part, assembly or drawing documents. Alright, let's add the rest of the command to the standard toolbar. I will add some from edit category. Select copy, drag and drop. You can see the copy command is added. Select cut, drag and drop. The cut command is added. Select paste, drag and drop, and the paste command is added. I will add some command from file category. Select close, not close, select open, drag and drop, select print, drag and drop, select save, drag and drop, and from the help select this command. For the help, drag and drop. Now all the commands necessary for the standard toolbar are added. I will rearrange and reposition the toolbar as per my requirements. I will bring the new forward, and then I will put open, then save, then print, then cut, then copy, then paste, then undo and redo, and help. Now the toolbar customization is completed, and close this customize window. Drag the toolbar to the location and toolbar customization is completed. Alright, now you may experience repeatedly using same set of command over and over again. In that case, it is best to create one single toolbar adding all these command to the same location rather than looking for the command across the toolbars. Let's see how we can do that. First, open customize window, go to tool, click customize, and click on toolbar tab and click on new. So this is the window to create a new toolbar. So enter new toolbar name. I will type with my initials, save, ns save, and close toolbar. Click OK. Now you can see the toolbar is created, but there are no commands in it. So I will add commands using command tab and dragging and dropping. So there are few commands that I need on this toolbar. I will go to file, select close, drag and drop, and I will go to save, drag and drop. Next I will go to view toolbar and select isometric, drag and drop, and I will select fit all in, drag and drop, and I will arrange this one as per my preference. First fit in all, next isometric, save and close. Alright, this is all I want, and I close this customize window. I drag this toolbar to the location of my choice, and that's it. I will use this toolbar to complete my tutorial. I will use fit in all command, I will use isometric view command, I will use save command, and I will use close command. The file is closed. That's all for today, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If this is useful, please like it and hit the subscribe and notification button. You will be notified when my next video is released. Thanks for watching.